Hi guys, so today I'm testing out my new Harry Potter stamping plate and I thought what better way to start off the video than opening up my chocolate frog from like my Disney trip last year. And I ate it all in one day now it was open, just so you know. I am hoping for either Gryffindor or Slytherin. No it's not. Herpo the Foul. He seems pretty cool, but he's not Gryffindor, is he? So we're starting off with the Gel Bottles Snow Queen as the base. It's sort of like a gold shimmer to it. I don't want anything too opaque, so we'll just do a couple of coats of this one. It is really pretty though. So this is the plate I have got. I bought it off somebody else, so I don't know where it's from, but we're using the Born Pretty stamping polish and the Moyu clear rectangular stamper, and we're going to stamp the 9 3/4 badge. I'll roll it like so. Not a bad pickup. Get the excess off there, and we will stamp that in the middle of the nail, I think. Roll it on without smudging. Woohoo! Then we are gonna stamp, I think I put Harry Potter at the bottom of this just because I love the Harry Potter font. Don't know about you guys, but Harry Potter is my all-time favourite. I love it. It's not picked up all of the letters, but most of it. This is just, we're not wanting perfection today, just testing. They're not too bad there. Touch up the edges. And then we will seal that in with a shiny top coat. And we're going to use Dali Artistic's shiny white no wipe top coat. Now, I don't know what it is, but I love their colours, their normal gel polish. But I don't know, I can't get on with the base and the top coats. But, So we're starting with Dali Artistic white gel polish. I love their colours, I really do. But I don't know. The top coats don't do it for me. Then we're going to wipe off the inhibition layer, the tacky layer, because we're going to do some marbling, some alcohol inks. I just got these from Amazon. They're just marble burano, does that say? And I'm using my Beatles gel polish. I'm going to get that ready with some isopropyl alcohol on so you can manipulate the ink. So if you just like blot it how you want it to go. It's such an easy way to marble. It really is. I love marble nails. I have done videos with gel polish on how to marble as well if you want to check those out. But this is definitely the easiest and quickest way. So we're just blotting it how we want it to be. And then let it fully dry before you put a base coat on or do the next bit of the design. I can't remember if I do the base coat or not, actually. I might do the stamping first, which I probably shouldn't have done. I would base coat it and then do the stamping. So now I'm just putting over that shimmery looking one. I don't know if you can really see it on the camera, but it's sort of got a shimmery finish to it. Just to add some sparkle, some shine. You can see it in the light a little bit there. It's very bright though, I'm very sorry. But you can see it a little bit shimmery there. And now we are going to stamp. I think I'm doing the Quidditch goalposts. And then I'll do a little Harry on his broomstick. I do like this stamping plate. This hasn't stamped like amazing, but it is very thin lines. And you do find that with stamping plates that have got like really small designs. The thicker lines definitely always do better. So then we're just going to stamp Harry on his little broomstick. Look how cute he is. Scrape away. Roll on. Oh, look. See, that one stamped really well. Just get off the excess and stamp him at the bottom there. Roll it on. And voila. Then we're going to shiny top coat that one. These are all going to be shiny finish. Now the next nail, I really love the next nail. I just sort of had a vision in my head. So we're starting off with Passion Nails Emerald as the base coat. Maybe have a guess at what you think it's going to be before I carry on. But we're going to do a couple coats of that. Then we are going to do a no wipe shiny top coat. I'm using Urban Graffiti this time just because I was in a hurry and this one cures in 30 seconds. Because we're going to chrome it. I'm going to use Sparkle Supplies chrome powder with a little eyeshadow applicator thingamajig that came with it. It's really subtle, this one, right? Because I'm doing it over a green base already. But it was just the look I was looking for. Anybody guess what I'm doing yet? Oh, look at that beautiful chrome. So pretty. Just buff that in. Seal it in with a base coat. Gonna use Dali Artistic. Give them another chance. Like I say, I really love their coloured gels, and like the reflective top coat is really good as well. I'm just not sold on this one yet. And then we're going to use Dali Artistic's white gel polish, a thin detailer brush, not my thinnest, but has anybody guessed? We're doing the Ministry of Magic. See what I mean? The green is just absolutely perfect. The chrome, it's just, it's like it was made for it. So we are doing the bricks of the wall. So nothing too like strenuous for this design. Just make sure you're drawing your lines straight. If you let your brush go where it wants to go. And then we're doing the downwards bits of grout. Just a really simple brick design that we're going to stamp on top of. And you could flash cure in between if you're not sort of sure whether your lines are going to go like blob together or whatnot. But I'm not using a lot of the white gel polish, so I was feeling pretty confident. Whether I should have been or not, who knows? I mean, look, I just made a fluff up there. So we're just going to do a line there and a line at the other side. And then one down the middle just to finish that off. And then we are going to use a gold stamping polish from my Born Pretty set. And we're going to stamp that Ministry of Magic sign. It is really pretty gold. And it stamps really well. Look at that. Take off the excess bits that we don't want. Pop that in. Middle to top, I think it goes. Woohoo! Look how shiny. Then I was trying to look to see what else I could stamp that would be ministry related. So there's a little Daily Prophet stamp. So we're going to use that and pop that at the bottom. Get the excess off that we don't want. And that's stamped pretty well as well. Don't know if you can see. Put that towards the bottom. I think a set of nails like this would be really good, like the ministry walls, like even just that brickwork. Then we're going in with the shiny top coat. Seal that in nicely. Yeah, I think a set like that would be lovely. But I'm, you know, massive Harry Potter fan. So if you're not, maybe it's not. So we're doing another marble alcohol ink nail. So we've done the white and we've wiped off the tacky layer. And we are going to do red this time. I zhuzh it a little bit too much, so I have to go back and zhuzh it some more to undo my, my zhuzhing. So just manipulate it where you want it to go. Oh, I love Harry Potter. What house are you guys? I am obviously Gryffindor. Although secretly I think I'm probably half Gryffindor, half Slytherin. Probably. See, look, I've sort of zhuzhed it a bit too much and it looks all built up in that area. So I've taken it off with some alcohol there just to sort of make it look a bit more natural marble looking. That's the thing. And then what do we do on this nail? I know we're using the gold again though. I must admit I really like this. Oh yeah, it doesn't actually come up very clear. We're stamping the Gryffindor album. Oh, you know what I mean. The house crest. The Gryffindor lion. Like, yeah, you can see it, but it's sort of like a little bit washed out with that background. But it did stamp really well. And that was what I was trying to determine on here anyway. So, and then we're just going to do Harry's glasses and his lightning scar, which picked up really well. Wellish. Because it's another thin one. And it did sort of warp a little bit, that one. I don't know if that was my technique. But woohoo! Stamping test complete. And I really like that stamping plate. So we're shining top coating that one again. And here we have our Harry Potter stamp nails. That Ministry of Magic one's definitely my favourite. Let me know if you've got a favourite. Thank you for watching once again. If you are here till the end, I really appreciate you. So give me a like and subscribe if you liked it. Thanks so much. Bye.